Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Microhub here. We are industrial solution provider company, customized solutions provider for all your requirements. So today we are going to demonstrate a very unique test system uh, to you, and this is totally designed and developed at Microhub. We have in-house already. We told you in most of the videos. We have in-house electrical, electronics, mechanical, and mechatronics team who can sit on a single table and give you the best out of the best solutions for your requirement. So yes, this is a machine which is designed and developed at Microhub and assembled and totally manufacturing process is done at Microhub site only. So let me give you a brief for this system. This is the world's first cutting as well as testing machine. So we are doing a lots of test automations for the customers. We check the manual system what you are doing, and we are observing that manual system, and we are providing the SPM to you for your requirements. So this is the wall system designed and developed for one MNC company, and it is very good and very perfect. Already inspection is done for this system, and we get the lots of appreciation for this system. So let me give you a very brief for this system. This is the aluminum structure for the machine traveling. This wall system is plates are from the VMC and CNC cuttings. This is the ESD safe material for which we are using the cutting system, that is for the LED part. Yeah. So what system exactly is doing? Let me give you a brief. So you can see this is the LED strips, and we got a requirement that we need to cut these strips in a single line on horizontal direction. There are 35 strips in one section, so we need to cut these strips from on horizontal way. The constraint is between two strips we have only 0.8 distance. So yeah, this is very big constraint what we face into the system. So we are executing a very fine machining and very precise tools to match the requirements. So one client's requirement is to cut down these strips on horizontal part. After cutting, they want to do a testing automations. So yeah, we are providing a test automation to this system after cutting. And for this, we need to use the ESD safe material. Let me give you a brief for the ESD safe. That means electronic static discharge safe material. So we are using ESD safe material for this. You can see a grooves. This is a 1 groove with the requirement depth. These are the pins from which we are going to test the system, and these are the pneumatics and hydraulics which we utilize into the system to control wall automation. And these are the panel works which we are providing to the client. Very fine tuned panel works we are providing inside, lots of relay networks and lots of other things as per the standard industrial requirements. So yeah, what we need to do is we need to set up this strip here, and once setup is done, whole thing is done very precisely using the uh, cutter system which we have developed here. So you can see here, if you can come, yeah, these are the rollers, and behind the rollers we have 35 cutters which will cut the strips according to the requirements, and the cutter will go inside this groove and cut down the strips. So we have used lots of mechanical, electrical, electronics designs to get the requirements done as per the client need. So you can see the level of work which Micro provides to the industries, and which can match your requirements also. So if you have any requirements, you can just call us and give us a brief, that is what is your requirement. We'll get back to you with the best solution, best design, and best idea for your automation also. So we'll also run this system, so we'll get an idea how system is working. So for that part, we have utilized lots of feedback sensor mechanism also. This is the home position of the machine right now. From HMI, we can have the selection of the modules. We can have the how many cutouts is done, which strip is okay, which strip is not okay. You can also log that data because we are measuring the current, voltage, and watt of each strip after cutting, and we are getting the log of that data. So in from the 35 strip, if one strip is not working because of what strip is not working, you will going to get the data into the HMI also. So yeah, this is the home position of the machine. Once we start, the system will come to the cutting position. These are the cylinders which will come on the strip, and this will not damage because we have utilized the rubber padding for that part. So this will come on the LED strip. After that, the cylinders what are available onto the cutting mechanism, it will come down and cut down the strips. After that, will automatic pogo pin will switch on the power supplies, and it will take the data of voltage and current and what other parameters, and give it to the PLC and HMI. And from that we will compute the system that is this strip is as per requirement and as per tolerance is not. As per tolerance, the strip is working proper or not. So let me start the system. So here we have the HMI window. You can see the traveling. If you want to do a traveling, we'll have the home screen here. So all the system designed and developed at Microhub site only. So we can have two drivers. One is regular, second is Bangladesh. So we have the selection process, which driver or which strip you are using. So we have two different type of strips for the cutouts. So right now regular strip is there. So we'll select that strip. This is the setting window and 35 LED strips. So after cutting, whenever testing is done, we will have the indication of green and red on the market on this marking only. So if 18 number strip is not working properly, we'll have the red sign on 18 numbers, so user can easily take that strip out. So this setting, from setting we can have the IO modules and whatever modules are running or not, like I input output monitors. You can see what outputs are working, what inputs are working right now or not. This is a output monitor also for relays. So we'll have the relay network inside the panel. We'll show you the panel once after this. So yeah, this is the home and this is okay. So if we want to start, let's start the system, so you will get an idea how system is working. So we have already supplied air to the system, so system will work as per the requirement. So yeah, you can take from this direction, so we'll get the proper view from here. Yep, you can take a full video. Yeah, so let me start the system. So you can see the movement, and this will come to this direction. After this, whole process is automated. So let me have the practical demo of the system. So we have two type of strips, so regular and other one is different type of strip. So whenever we select the type of strip and we can start the system, we'll have the cutting and testing of that particular strips. So let me start a practical demo. So I will select a regular one because here one regular LED strip is mounted, and we'll have the full demo of the regular strip right now. So the cutting will be automated, and after cutting we will have the testing automation with this also. So yes, let me start a practical demo. So how system is working and how accurately Microhub is working for you, you will come to know that part. And if you have any such type of requirements, you can just contact Microhub. We'll get back to you with the best out of the best solution for your requirements. So let's start a demo. We have already done a setup here and mounted a strip. all pneumatics and all motorized system will work automatic, and you will come to know after seeing this the automation. So let's start. Right now the system is at a home position. It will come to the cutting position, then it will cut, and then it will automatic test this system. So yeah, this is done. This will come to a cutting position. This is a pneumatic cylinders, and we have attached here. Blades will come down, and it will cut the strips. So strips are cutted here as per the requirement, and it will automatically pass the voltages from here, and it will test once cutting is done. You can see the testing. Right now testing is going on, so it is hardly taking zero point 0.5 seconds for the testing part, and you will have the all data onto HMI also, and we will come to know which LED strip is working as per your requirement, as per tolerance, and as per the output, and we'll have the wall automations. So total cycle time of cutting plus testing is hardly 3 seconds per strip. Before this, almost 2 to 3 minutes was taken from the user, and this is on a mass production basis. So per day, approximate 5,000 to 6,000 strips they need to cut out, and they need to test it out. So yeah, this is the best solution. This cutting is done automatically, and testing is also done and automatic with the automatic systems. This is concept totally designed and developed by Microhub team, and we are having a good base on mechanical, electrical, electronics, and mechatronic systems. So if you have any such kind of requirements, you can just call to Microhub. We'll get back to you as we said to you. So you can just come to know that we are doing testing, we are manufacturing testing equipments, lots of testing equipments. This is another type of test equipments with Pogo pins, with mechanical, with electronics, with PLC and HMI. So you get a one-stop solution at Microhub. You no need to go anywhere. We have in-house all the things for you. So you will have the one-stop solutions, and you will have the fast as well as best out of the best solutions from Microhub. Thank you guys for watching us. Keep in touch. Please like and subscribe our channel, so we'll get a motivation from your subscription and your likes, and we would like to make more videos, such type of videos for you. Thank you very much.